So how about adding methods dynamically? We can add, modify and delete the attributes of a class dynamically, that is at the runtime. And you can also add methods dynamically to the object also or class. For example, here we have a class health profile. Here we have a weight and blood group. So these are already there. In this function we have just said play, and this function play says come on let's play. We have created an object which is h, which is this is the class, so this is h. Now h dot play is equal to play. This function we have assigned to h dot play, and now we are trying to call this function with h. So in this example, play is just a function which is not receiving any value, or which does not receive self. So there is no way by which h can know that play is a method. How it is going to know? So if you need self, you have to create a method and then bind it to the object. For that, what you have to do? For this, you have to do what? You have to import a method type from type module, as we just see. So this is not the way we are going to dynamically create from types, import method type. Now here in this particular case we have a class, and now in this we have this class health profile. We have weight and blood group. Now we have defined this init self comma name. Self dot name will go here. Play, right, this is okay. Now health profile we are passing Shalini, and we are calling method type with this play comma h, this play function, and this is associated with the object h. Now there is an association. So h dot play will show you come on let's play Shalini. So in this code, the built-in function method type from the types module, this is going to take two arguments. First is the name of the function, which has to be bound dynamically, and the instance with which it is going to be bind, h. So in this example, this play method will be bound only with the instance h here. So no other instance will ever know of the class health profile will have any play method. Only h will have, only one object, this h object will have. So if we want to do that, means we want to know other instances also to have this play method, then what we have to do? Then we have to add the method to the class, and for that we have to make use of self, as what we are going to show you just now. So now we have associated the function with one object. Now we are trying to associate with every object. So what we have to do here is, this is a class object, then we have weight and blood group. This is already there. We have defined this constructor self comma name, so name will go into the name. Then def play self. This is going to show come on let's play self dot name, which is whichever name is there which are going to give in the constructor, it will go to self dot name. Now health underscore profile, this is the name of the class. Now we are saying that this dot play has to be play. So please, this play function is known with each and every instance. So if you make an instance h1 with this Shalini we have passed, then we play. Otherwise we have made another object health profile, we have passed Ritu, h2 dot play. Here it will say come on let's play Shalini. Here it will play hello, come on let's play this self name which is Ritu. So h1 and h2 both have now this, right, this function known. So in this example we have not used this method type. So this is because all the functions in the body of the class will become methods and receive self unless you make it as a static method. We are going to talk about that.